What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. A busy day, a busy week. So we're going to make this one quick and short. How about some grilled jumbo shrimp? Let's get it. Let's knock this out. Here we've got 1 pound of cleaned and deveined Gulf shrimp. I did this, didn't want to waste your time showing you all that. I counted them. There are exactly 24 in here. My main seasoning, of course, Sucker Busters SPG, garlic and shrimp, an absolute match. Let's start with 1 tablespoon of Sucker Busters SPG, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet smoky paprika, 1 teaspoon of some awesome flat iron sweet heat peppers, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You want to give this a good mix. I'm going to get some gloves on. If you don't have the flat iron pepper, just substitute cayenne. If you're not in the heat, you can leave that out completely. All right, I've got some skewers that have been soaking for about an hour or so. And I think I'll do 2 skewers per string. Let's see. Let's try. I think that'll do us right there. And this should just about do us right here. And we're not going to waste a whole lot of time because we don't want to start drawing moisture out of these shrimp. Our fire is almost ready. One last thing, I want to make a little butter sauce for these shrimp. I've got 6 tablespoons of butter. I want a little chunky garlic, about 3 cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and again, a good shake of my SPG. We're going to be heating this up on the stove. I want to get a nice little golden color to this garlic, and this is going to be drizzled over our shrimp in the end. All right, folks, we've got a lot of work going on around the neighborhood, so you might hear some noises, but our fire is good and ready. This is going to be a quick cook, like I mentioned in the intro. We might give these a minute and a half or so per side. Then we've got some little crustini, some garlic bread type that we're going to toss on here afterwards. All right, folks, that's been about a minute and a half. Perfect. That's been another minute and a half, folks. Let's go 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds and we're good. All right, let's get them off of here. On with our little crustinis. Give these a quick toasting. Quick flip. And we're coming off. Oh, these smell great, folks. Let's get them off of here. Our little crustinis, nicely toasted. Our little garlic, butter. And just a little green. Pretend to have some veggies. All right, folks. Pretty simple, nice and quick. Oh, got this crostini. We can go down there, sop up some of that butter. Wow. Folks, this gets it done. Absolutely gets it done. That shrimp is nice and tender. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Very simple. Short cook. We got things to do. A little crustini and some grilled shrimp. I want to thank you guys and gals, as usual, for hanging out with Mama and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!